Oh, let's go, baby. Oh, let's go. We'll take that, Honestly, this is nothing special, just an All Saints top. But it looks fresh as well. It's long sleeve, which I like. This is fire. Let's go, another delivery has come. Palms Angel. Let's go, baby. Oh, I'm gonna be looking fresh. What's poppin'? It's your boy TJ. Welcome back to another video. Yes, your boy TJ is bringing you one video every 3 days of Forex content, FTMO flipping videos, and much more. Gold analysis coming out of my mouth, left, right, and center. Honestly, I don't even know what I'm saying right now, but it has been absolutely popping in VIP. Yes, Monday morning today, and we've already hit 10% in VIP shown right here. It's absolutely popping. Link in description to join up. I'm not even, saying this to gas you guys up. It is popping. I have got a free trades channel link down in the description as well. You can literally go check it out. I sent a VIP signal on there today, and funny enough, it hit TP1, TP2, and TP3. Let's go, baby. Obviously, VIP is there to help you pass your FTMOs, to help you grow as a Forex trader, to learn the skill that I have learned over the years of trading, and that is exactly what I'm doing. So, in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you an FTMO strategy that I use on a day-to-day basis if I was to actually pass FTMO. Now, with FTMO, there is a lot of steps you have to do in order to get the FTMO account. Now, they want you to have a 10% within 1 month. We're going to go through this throughout the whole video, and I'm literally going to tell you how to not make mistakes, because I know a lot of you watching right now would have hit max day loss before the first min 10 days. Fact, they would have done that. They would have over leveraged their account. They would have, taken 2-3% on just one trading pair. They wouldn't risk manage to just use sing lots. There are so many things I can go through, and I'm going to tell you the way to do it, because I'm telling you, 10% in a month is still difficult, and if you mess it up within the first trade, then you're already 11, 12, 13% down. So you don't even need 10, you need 12, 13%. That's where it goes wrong. So your boy TJ is going to help you with that. If you are new around here, make sure to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. My last video was a 200k challenge FTMO video, which I absolutely passed, but go watch that. It's absolutely insane. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Step 1 in FTMO. Now, you have to have 10% in FTMO. It can be difficult, yes, we all understand that, but you need to understand, you need to risk manage. Use a risk management app called Skinu, which is on the App Store. You can use a risk management app online. It's free, it doesn't cost anything. Stop using same lots, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It is killing your accounts. The same lots are killing your account. When you start FTMO, you have to get in profit straight away. The first trade is so important. You do not want drawdown, because how FTMO works is your max day loss, okay, in your open trades will be affected. So say if you've got minus £100 and you've got a 10 grand account, £100 is 1% of 10 grand. So you're in drawdown minus 1%. FTMO will say that they actually lost 100 quid because you're in drawdown. Even though it's in open trades, you still technically lost their equity. Where this is where it goes wrong. People go all guns blazing at the start and it messes you up. Please use risk management, 1% or even 0.5%. Just get yourself in profits. Once you're in profit, you can't really lose. You can play around with your profits. You can even double risk if you want to. As long as you're in profit, it's fine. They're not taking away your max loss. You're not getting max loss, because if you're up, let's say it's a £10,000 account and you're up £10,500, which is £500, 5% of 10 grand. Let's just do this right now. If you lose that £500, 5% in 1 day, your max day loss will not be affected. Therefore, you can continue on with your account. This is why it's so important to not get drawdown at the start. People fail all the time with losing before the first 10 days. You're literally handing money to FTMO. You might as well get in VIP, because the fact of the matter is, you are giving away your money to a company who are just profiting from you. That's facts. They're not gonna, they want you to pass, but they don't care. If they have 10 people failing every single day, 100k challenge, 200k challenge, they're making money. They're a company at the end of the day. Yes, they may be a funding firm, and I'm sure they're not going to mind me saying this, but at the end of the day, they are a business, they're a company, and they want to make money. So this is a way to make income without losing anything. They've got everything to gain, but nothing to lose. Where the trader has everything to lose. They have their initial deposit on the account, they have to potentially losing a, you know, getting a funded account. They could be so close and then lose. They've got so much online, you know. People take these accounts to try and get that big capital. And the strategy is, you need to look for a good risk reward trade. We're talking, you know, 20 pip SL max. I use 10 pips for 20 pip SL max. Get a sniper entry and take your profits. You know, if you can get 3 to 5% within the first few weeks, you're absolutely winning. Because the fact of the FTMO challenge, if you're in profit at the end of the month but you have not passed, they will let you retake it for free. You do not lose your money. That is a godsend. And this just proves how difficult it actually is, because there's not actually a lot of funded FTMO traders. A lot of people out here watching this right now would have failed multiple times, and I'm pretty sure the stuff I'm saying, you guys can relate to what I'm saying. It's pretty simple stuff. Use tight SLs. Do not get a lot of drawdown. Don't over risk your lots. Don't over risk on a pair. 1% for each pair, not 3% on one pair. If you're gonna hit your max day loss, you know, if your max day loss and you got 2%, don't throw on a 2% trade and try and scrape it to like 4.9% in loss, you know? Don't try and scrape it. Just go, okay, I've got 1%. I've got 2%, but I've got 1% right here to play around with. Let's go. Just because it's telling you got 5% max day loss does not mean you hit max day loss 5% in one day. You can't be doing that to yourself. If you lose your first trade, you go again. 2 in one day, you're gone. You get your trading plan in and you trade correctly. 2 losses, you stop trading, and that's it. You do not trade anymore, because it will play into effect on the account. You can't, your psychology. Like guys, if you're going into the challenge and you go minus 2% straight away, your thought process is like, I've got to get 12% right now to pass this challenge. If I lose any more money, I'm gonna be even more minus. It's a psychological effect, ladies and boys, girls. You cannot let this take over. So small lot sizes, good risk reward. First trade, 0.5%. If you need my help, I've got a free trades. I've got a Discord link in description. Ask me for help. I've got an Instagram. DM me. Ask me for help. Okay, watch my previous FTMO videos. This is all gonna help you. Now, I'm gonna show you a trade that I actually took in VIP this morning, on the Monday morning, which actually made us 10%. I've shown you the trades at the start of the video. I'm gonna go through the analysis now and you know, tell you guys what I would actually do with my FTMO account, because the fact of the matter is, it's easier me saying this to all of you, and I've shown you guys, you know, all of my FTMO accounts. But the fact of the matter is, you need to understand with a live trade on what to do, because people will go into profit, not close, hold it, hit SL entry. You know what I mean? There's so many tactics, and I'm gonna go through it right now. So let's get into the analysis. Okay, so we've got the gold trade in front of us right here, right now. And as you can see, gold on Friday went up. Okay, it went up. Look what happened here at 1770. I literally called it. I have an alert set. I'll show you. I literally had it on 1770 pullback all the way to fucking 1844. That's insane. But gold, NFP, bought it all the way up, and now we're looking for it to sell off. Okay, we're looking for it to sell off. This was yesterday. This was Tuesday. VIP signal sent. Okay, this was Tuesday. We called the sells up here, 1845. We also called buys, but gold will be exhausted. Okay, you're not looking for gold to go any higher. You're looking at the daily, and then look at the indication right now. You see price has tried to break but can't reach the previous daily highs. Therefore, we're looking at a sell-off from gold. We're looking at the exhaustion, you know, it has to pull back. And if I show you the 1 hour, look right here, failing to break the previous highs. And I'm just gonna play it quickly just so you guys can see. And this is why it's so important to get a good risk to reward trade. Sniper entry up here. Now, there's confirmations on the candles on the 1 hour where you know it's gonna drop. Now, if I actually show you the 15-minute beforehand, you can see a lot of consolidation where the sellers are trying to get in. They're trying to get in. The buyers can't keep buying into the market. You know, it's exhausted right now. Right here, right now. Look at this. So many times it's touched and couldn't actually go back up to the upside. Failed to break the previous highs. So we're gonna see it sell off. Now, you're looking for it to sell off where it impulses, okay, which is on these previous lows, 1870, or you'll be looking at 1825. So 1825, 1817 will kind of be your target. You know, gold's gonna, is it drops and it always wicks out. I say this in most of my gold videos, it'll wick out. And look what actually happened right here, right now. We actually caught the sells on this because gold is exhausted. You can clearly see, you know, it come up, made a new high, come back down again to 1831, pull back up to 1841, couldn't break the previous highs, and then you sent off. You know, all of these wick rejections just give you so much indication, so much confirmation that gold's gonna sell off, and it did exactly that. And obviously this is what I wanted to show you about risk to reward trade and hitting your actual trades, because we sent 3 positions on this to VIP, which you obviously can join, link in description. But look, it wicked out. Where did it wick out? Can, like, guys, can you see this? 1817, it come to 1818. Where did it engulf on the bullish upsides? Engulfing candle here at 1818. So this was just a huge pullback to collect orders, to then collect, and then it will go on from there, and gold will either come up and down. As I've been saying, it's on a bullish uptrend. It's going up. It's going to continue to go up. I called it literally at 1678. Said we're going to 1800s. You know, that was 1,200 pips ago, and look where we are now. We're back at 1835, around there. So, you know, it's low-key kind of crazy, but all you've got to do with gold is either join VIP or just watch my content and look for the higher lows and the higher highs, you know. And if gold fails to break, look at the 1 hour. 1, 2, 3. 3 times it tried to go to the upside, couldn't. So then you're gonna get the sell-off. Okay, you enter it, it sells. When you get entry up here, it's sniper entry, so you leave. And then it continues down. DP's here, you've just made a fuckload of money. I'll show you VIP profits on the screen right now. Honestly, join the Discord down below. Low-key crazy. As I said, you can join VIP. But it has been your boy TJ. Much love on this, like the whole video. Honestly, my channel's blowing up. You guys are loving the support. I speak to most of you in Discord, and it's honestly, I feel blessed. Hitting trades like this as well just makes me feel even more blessed, because, you know, we're hitting trades like this, man, like 300 pip moves with 3 positions open. It's crazy. To the fact that I'm up like 20+% already this week, and it's Wednesday. Last week was 25%. You know, the percentages that we're hitting right now is absolutely insane. Verification step coming soon with the FTMO. Let's go, baby. But it has been your boy TJ. Much love and support. Make sure to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I will catch you in the next video. Much love. Trade safe. Peace.